So today guys, we are going to be taking off the front bumper on the Supra and repairing the little damage that's on the bottom and then getting it all resprayed. So yeah, we're gonna actually strengthen some bits as well. You can see here, we're gonna strengthen that too, make that nice and strong. And yeah, just do some general bits on it and tidying up. So alright, let's get it done. Let's get it done. We have to turn the wheels and bolts on the inside and bolts along the top of the bonnet. Alright, let's get it off. She's absolutely stunning. Sexy, sexy car. First we're going to start by open up the bonnet. We're going to take that rubber strip off and get the bolts out of there. Look around here. If you see there's a bolt hole there, there's one on each side. So we're going to get that undone first. One's here. Started unwinding them. So there's a crack there as well, we just hit it hard. It's quite annoying. Put the bolts there. Let's get the rest out and get the other side out. Side one's out, as you can see, it's out. If I remember correctly, there's a couple down here as well, which I need to get from the inside. I think I can get to them from here. I'm just trying to think where they are. Must be around there somewhere. I might need to get them. Where is it? See it? I might need to get them from inside. I don't know if I can get them from here. I think I need to take the lights out to get these ones down here. It's taking quite a little bit of a hit on there, isn't it? Lights are quite annoying to get out. It's going to be annoying. Right, let's get them out. Needs to be done. 3 bolts on each light, one there. And I've got one there and the lower one there. Now should just pull up and slide forward so we'll get that out. Coming out. Keep these safe. Put them again up there. Keep them safe. Let's get the other ones out. We can see them. One there. There you go. Get one on the other one. Down there. See that? There you go. Should be able to just twist them out now. By hand. Get that off. Little finger tight now, it should come off. There we go. Be sure to get the washers off with it. And there's a washer on there too, look. Get that washer off. And that's both washers off. Let's try and pull the lights out. So from memory, it comes around this corner here. Sort of bend it around. There we go, around there. Be gentle, we don't want to break anything, and it should just pull out from here. Try and do it one-handed, you need 2 hands on this really, give me a second. Which one's it sticking on? Top one and bottom one. Pull that way a little bit, let's get it out. There's a little bit of persuasion, give me a second. It's out. So now, should be able to see, there it is. Is that down there? You can see it down there. Can take the plugs off as well, but there's a bolt just there in the centre of the screen that holds a bumper on there. That one. Zoom in on it. There we go, that one there. Let's get that off and the bumper should come off on the other side as well. That's it, and the front bumper is off. Let's get it over to the bench and get it repaired. Effort. She's now looking. We're gonna get the bumper repaired and get it painted, get it back on. So we're going to repair this properly. I need to get it all dried up, but there's a bit of a gap there where someone had filled it with some filler before. But yeah, we're gonna do this all properly. We're going to line it all up. There's a crack on the front, but it's not. It just needs fiberglass and back in strong. And here again, I'm going to do one edge and then repair the rest up. It comes up to there. Look, I'm going to get it all done nicely, bandaged up. Fix anything I think needs fixing, anywhere where there's cracks or anything. I'm going to strengthen along here as well. Those will need strengthening because it likes to flex along there, look. Yeah. Put another couple of strips along there. Get these back down, that'll be the last things I do. London was not very kind to the front bumper. I might have raised it up a tad actually, to be fair. But yeah, she's alright, she's alright, she's alright. It's not damaged down here, but I am going to put an extra strip down there just in case, to give it a bit of extra strength. Alright, let's get it dried off with the blowtorch and get it done. Let's get it done. Might put a strengthening strip along here as well, we'll see. And it's also, you see that? Looks to have separated that bit there. Some water sitting behind it. We'll have to just get it all fixed up. Nothing else you can do now other than fix it, strengthen it. It's a rare bumper, genuine BOMEX bumper. So, worth saving. Really, really rare. I paid about 450 quid for it. Alright, let's get it done. Torch on a really light flame, and I'm just going to take all the moisture out. So as you can see, just draw all the moisture out. That's don't set light to fiberglass, that stinks. Just keep it away from the edges. Just try and draw it out as much as possible. We have got a fiberglass repair this. Maybe I will let that burn a little bit. Blow it out. Burns down a little bit, it's definitely going to dry out there. That'll do. Don't breathe that in. Still got some moisture down there, see it bubbling? Get that moisture out. Anywhere I've got a repair, you want it dry. It's drying out. Get it dried. Especially down here, look. Got a nice repair strip down there, so get it all dried out. Sweep that out of there. Dried again. Nicely dried out, I can actually start repairing some. It's all dried out nicely. I'll have to see which is the best tack to use there. So that'll obviously go now. I'll probably tape that first on the outside. Try and get that all butted up nicely. Yeah, like that. That's how it goes. Get that taped up. Might do this one first as well. Sort of like been pushed against itself, hasn't it? Mesh that back together, I think. There we go. There we go, actually that's meshed back together nicely. Yeah, it's dry, so we'll get some, scuff it all up nice, and I'll do that bit. I'll do that bit first. Then this bit can come back together. What's this bit like? Yeah, it's pretty messed up, man. Pretty messed up. Put a layer down here, and maybe one across top, or one across this way, and then one across that way, I think. Let's get ready and cutting stuff out, and I'll cut stuff out for this one. I'll do it in stages. I think I'll try and mesh this one together as well, if it will go. It's quite far gone that. To tape it, and to tape it. Pretty messed up. That one looking like a bit the same, really. I've cut all the pieces I want, just laid them in place for now. I'm going to mix up some, I'm going to reinforce these with them as well. I'm going to mix up some, that bit's for there, I'll have to get that bit. I'm going to mix up some resin now. Get it on. I'm going to put an extra little strip down here to give it an extra bit of support in the middle. Then the last bit we'll do is we'll repair these, but we'll get that done first. Let's go. Poured out 125 ml of the resin. Now I'm going to need, well, between 1.25 and 2.5 ml of this. So the less I put in, the slower it will set. So I'm going to do that. Probably put like maybe almost 2 ml in. Get that in there and put it in, give it a stir. That's all mixed up. Let's get fiberglass in. Let's go. Right. I'm going to go over the bad bits again. But that is pretty much there for now. Like, that's really good. That's nice and strong. So yeah, I've done all that down there. I'm going to do the top bits, reinforce them. I've got a little bit there. I'm not too happy with that clip there, so I'm fixing that. That's got a bit more behind it now. Give it a little bit more strength. That's on there, lovely. I think that's. There you go. Push up. Yeah, that's in there, lovely. That ain't going anywhere. Take my glove off now. Yeah, I think like this one has got some air in it, but it's like this because that bit's lifting up. So if we can get some juice behind there, might try and put some more juice behind there. Get some. Yeah, I'll get some thing behind there and try and get that out. So I've just added some strengthening in there so it doesn't flex so much. I'll push that back in with a brush a little bit. Gets in there, let's come up a little bit, push it back in. Get it nice and flat down, perfect. And this one too. Nice. And that'll give it a bit of strength, stop it from flexing or splitting along the top. So yeah. Done. It's looking pretty good. Thought I'd just add that there, something a little extra. Put a bit more down here. Now just tape these down. I'm going to put the filler fiberglass in here to get that all nice and secured back down. And that's it for that. Yeah. All right, let's get it on. Let's mix them up and get it on. Let's mix it up. Done. Just get that in there so it starts changing colour. Mix it up real nice. Just get it done. Really work these in underneath. As you can see, it's all there. It's all squished down. It's all attached. Okay, it's all in there. I'll just touch that one. All right. So that there is in nicely. Now I just need to do these bits here, which I'm going to do. Just mix up some more for that. Get these ones stuck down. All right. Let's go. I'll fix the. Put a little bit of, oh god, fiberglass filler behind there, structural hole filler. Refiberglass that one back in. Hopefully it will hold. And yeah, we've got those ones done and a bit more behind there. But I've just taken the tape off here because that's gone off now. But yeah, that can all be sorted out now. Thank God. This one looks okay. Nice and hard. Just need to put some like structural hole filler on the front of it, and everything should be dandy. Should be dandy. Let it go off properly. It's not been too long. Yeah, I think that one. I think it's starting to go off. Don't really want to get it stuff on your fingers, but hey ho. Clean off my jumper. It's a repair job someone done before. Not the best, is it? It's like not even structural. I think it is literally just filler. Oh, shit. I've actually done it with fiberglass and should be nice and strong. Should be nice and strong now. Going anywhere. Alright, good stuff. Now I think what I'm actually going to do is I've just been thinking, behind these big bits I am going to put some structural filler, which has got the fiberglass in it, and behind this bit as well, and then just along here just to give it a bit of support and strength, stop it like flexing. So I will do that. I've just taken that off. That's all set up now. That's nice and hard. Still got to set a little bit, but it's not going anywhere. So yeah, we are pretty much. I could put a bit on there actually, can I? What about this one? Yeah, put a bit on there too. I think shouldn't come off then. I'll do that as well. But yeah, I've just cleaned out the holes, so now you can get a bolt straight through the holes. Alright, good to go. Okay, that's all done. Looking really, really nice. Done a really good job. say let's get it in the van. Let's get it in the van. Done a really nice job of that. Alright, it's not going anywhere. Stuff, guys. Let's get it in the van. And there we go, and I've chipped the paint off there so I can get a good sort of, you know, good grip on it. So that'll all need to be taken off, sanded down and fixed. So Mark 2, Mark 4. Let's get it in the, it's come out quite nice actually. That's come out quite nice, like this will all need to be sanded back. A little bit tacky there still. But that is all fixed now. There's nothing in there that's gonna, oh that's like, yeah. Nothing there that's gonna break off or anything. It just needs it's all solid, which is good. Good. Let's go. Let's get it in the van and get it taken over and get it to the body shop. And let's go. Guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. And then get this baby blasted in no time. Oh yeah, she's looking awesome. Check it out. Check out my other videos. And keep watching this build, thank you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out my other builds, and if you want to buy this amazing, clean, low mileage Supra, it's had over 30 grand spent on it within the last year, get in touch. Thanks very much. See you in the next one.